As a baker, Borosil has been a constant companion for as long as I can remember, be it with their OTG or with their 100% borosilicate mixing bowls and bakeware dishes. I've enjoyed all my experiments of mixing batters, chocolates, or simply baking cakes or cooking pastas with Borosil bakeware. Right from their oval baking dish to their glass mixing bowl that I've used, they are made up of strong, unparalleled quality of 100% borosilicate glass. And they can withstand extreme temperatures even as high as 350 degrees Celsius, which is higher than the highest temperatures in most of the ovens. Hence perfect for any kind of baking, cooking, or even serving. This oval baking dish especially is my favorite as it can be used in multiple ways. You can use it to bake your dish or cook pasta etc. Serve it in it and then store the leftovers in the same dish in the fridge. Yes, it's freezer proof too. How cool is that? All their bakeware dishes and even the mixing bowls are made up of 100% borosilicate glass, so they have a non-porous glass and are BPA free. Easy to handle and even more easy to clean. Apart from their glassware, I also love Borosil's OTG and their Lara dinner set. Sometimes I have to bake dishes which take hours to cook, and the stay on feature of Borosil's OTG is simply a lifesaver. It also comes with a rotisserie function as well as a whole lot of accessories and a recipe book which includes 26 sweet and savory recipes. I love using this Prima 30-liter Borosil OTG, and using it with Borosil's bakeware has been a fantastic experience for me. I've made a lot of dishes in this OTG and using this oval baking dish such as mac and cheese and some pastas, and right now I've made some carrot muffins as well. Loving everything that's baked and served with Borosil.